we get one very important matter for Igbese. Igbese for market trust and na time when you be say with the handle matter when be say if person they owe you. Yeah, now Igbese for market trust, you go send me message for our market trust number and we'll call talk am for you. If you want come live to the studio, like the husband and wife when I get today for year, well, their pastor, they owe them correct money, una go let me know. But me will make a greet them first. Madam, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, you go say good morning.
Good morning, Nigeria.
Exactly. Then if I can say how are you go say I'm fine. And you? How are you?
I'm fine. Are you?
Madam, they laugh. Why they laugh that? Okay. You there with your husband? Oga, how are you?
I'm fine. Are you?
I did all right. Good morning to you now. Anyways, if you now want, you can mention your name. But if you don't want, no wahala. Right?
You are free to mention.
Okay, so
name.
madam, what will be your name?
My name is Mrs. Beatrice Odene.
Okay, sharply you go rush the matter. What will be the problem?
The problem is the place where they go church. The thing starts since just a year and now, but that pastor now since 2 years now he don't they disturb me. My pikin dey for University of Poly for Ibadan.
Okay.
So the boy come back, I carry am go church. Now my pastor come after service, he come he come say, Mama Emeka, come o. Say I see one vision for you. I go meet her.
He say see vision for you.
He come tell me say, I say, pastor wetin happen? He come tell me say, as I see this your pikin say in destiny no dey Nigeria o.
Okay.
That is Emeka.
Yeah.
I come tell am say okay, I don hear. He say make if I reach am make I tell my husband. So my husband go make my husband come make two of them discuss so that he go know how he go take do am. So my pikin go travel outside country.
Okay.
I come tell am say okay, sir, I don hear. So that day I go house, I no fit tell my husband because I know say my husband no get money.
Okay.
So if I go church, he go dey tell me the same thing. Now I go tell am say, pastor, my oga no get money and me I no fit go tell am that kind thing. He say make I tell am first. I say me I no tell am because my oga no dey come the church.
Now only you dey go the church.
Only me dey go the church.
Okay.
So when he disturb me, I no fit tell my husband because I know say my husband no get the money. So he come reach last year. So my husband come say make I see the thing wey happen o. Say be like say for working place, be like say they wan resign them o.
Okay.
So but e be like say get some small thing where they wan give them. For inside my mind though, I no talk am out. I come say thank God though. Be like say time don reach for my pikin to travel outside country.
Okay.
So one day my oga come back come say make the thing don happen o. Say e get small thing wey dem give them for working place. Now I come tell my husband say okay, see the thing wey pastor tell me o.
Say see vision.
He say he see vision about our pikin o. Say in destiny no dey Nigeria.
Okay.
Now my oga come say okay, say if na that one, say no problem. Say okay, I go carry am make we go meet the pastor. So my oga come tell me say but this one wey dem wan give them now, say dem just give them small time o. Say by any moment say dem go resign them for working place o. Say na only that place he put him money, no wahala, we go village go stay.
Yeah.
So I come go meet my pastor on Sunday after service. I go meet am, me with my husband. As we go there, now I come tell am say pastor, now because of that thing wey he tell me o, that's why I carry my husband come. So he come say okay, no problem. Now I come tell my oga say okay, now you be prepare make I with my oga come shake. He come say okay, say the money wey we go give am, wey go take do the thing, say na 350,000.
Okay.
He come ask my pikin say where he wan go. My pikin say Germany. Now I come tell am say no, say make he no go Germany, make he go Canada.
Okay.
So now from there the thing come start. So from 350,000, so my oga come tell am say make he wait. Say be like say na ending of the month na dem go give am the money. So pastor no fit wait again. E no reach a week, pastor don go start the process of travel. I no know whether I start am, whether I no start. I think wey he tell me and my husband. He say he take church money.
Take starter for your pikin. I una not send am o.
I no send am.
On you.
So as he come say he don start am, he come dey disturb because na keke I dey drive. I be keke driver.
Oh, you want me the mama?
Yes, na
okay.
keke I dey drive.
Okay.
So as he come dey disturb. Now my oga say you know they like this kind thing, you know they like to hold. So I come tell am say instead of that, say make you no talk like that o. Say no opportunity o. So I come tell my oga say abi make we sell the keke so we go see money. He say okay, make I sell my keke.
Sure.
That's how I take sell
you
my.
You come sell your keke?
I come sell my keke. Make we use and start the process.
Madam, hey God, you sell your keke?
I sell my keke.
How much you sell am?
I sell the keke.
700 something thousand.
Now you sell the keke 700 something. Now you sell the full keke.
Yes.
Okay, man. When you sell your keke, how much should I first give him?
How much we first give him is the complete of that 350,000
Okay.
cash.
Cash. Okay.
This is not the transferred one.
Yeah.
Because he has already sold the keke
Yes.
and gave me the money.
Yeah.
Then we paid him 350,000 naira.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So after that, for some weeks and this thing, then they pay us the money.
Okay.
So I started transferring.
Because they transfer small, they give the pastor.
The pastor.
So last now, how much you don't transfer give am when they owe you?
2.8 million naira.
And your pikin no go there abroad.
The worst part of it is that my son stopped school. Now next month he go stop school.
na next month he go reach
He
a
go
year.
reach when he stop school, now they go school.
Because of say you want
He
travel
wan
abroad.
travel, because
The parents say make you stop the school.
say if you read there, say he go dey go school, dey work.
Sure.
So 1 month he go process everything, make e dey go as far money dey. You understand?
Till now.
That is why we know say e dey for scam.
So
Now,
if una ask us say make una make you pay una the money, wetin dey talk?
we never tell am say make he pay the money. All he's saying that your son must travel to school. Your son must travel to Canada
For 1 year now.
for going to 1 year.
Going to 1 year.
Yeah, now what are they holding?
Okay.
He say you know say embassy. Now it's not a year like that. But you told us that August this boy is going to leave Nigeria.
That last year.
That last year. From there he go dey postpone am. From there he go say he wan submit paper. From there go say but na money all this thing dey.
No,
and
they pay am o.
we dey transfer.
So madam, you sell your keke.
I say my
Now you no dey do anything again.
You dey village.
You dey village.
Eh.
Okay, then oga your pension money. You pack am give the pastor.
And my work don stop.
Your work don stop. So you no dey do anything now.
Again.
So now una dey suffer now. And pikin no go abroad.
No.
He dey house.
He dey
Pikin dey house.
Eh.
Next month make am 1 year. When
Yeah.
pastor say make he stop school, say he wan go Canada.
The Canada.
We'll call the pastor live and direct for the studio here. Mo ask am say wetin dey happen and why e be say the 2.8 million abi say he never use that thing process everything make this pikin go there abroad o.
Hello.
Hello sir, good morning sir.
Who is this?
Yeah, my name is Ratata of Wazobia FM sir.
Okay.
Yes sir, how is everything sir?
Fine.
Yeah, how is the ministry Pastor Bernard? Okay.
Please, I'm not in a position of
Sorry.
answering call now.
No, sorry sir, there is just somebody around there that says he wants to say hello to you. Okay, Mona
I
good to
don't
the
know
pastor.
the person.
Hello sir. Hello sir.
Hello, sir.
we dey greet you
Yeah,
Pastor
who is
Ben.
it? Who are you?
Pastor Ben dey greet you. Papa Emeka dey greet you. Good morning sir.
No problem.
We are greeting you sir. Good morning sir.
What is it?
We are greeting you. I say good
Papa Emeka
morning.
dey greet you from
Yes.
Wazobia.
From-
Mama Emeka dey greet you.
What is it now?
Na because of the money wey he collect wey he say he go make Emeka make you go say he say he go.
Somebody call me now and say that his name is Ratata.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we are
to
together
talk to
here,
me,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, we are together here.
I don't have anything to do with it, sir.
Hello,
I'm in a place.
pastor, you know the person wey dey talk na Mama Emeka o.
From Wazobia FM.
All right, the pastor don cut am.
He don cut
Make
am.
una dey smart now, una too. Una say make una greet am, follow am talk. He greet am, he say what happen? Okay, you go talk am straight. You no go come dey look me pe what you want. You no go talk sharp. Una come dey first dey look first, come dey slow, come dey slow. You go say pastor, na the money o. Why you say you want to go abroad with a maker o? Straight. Una come quiet first, come dey look me. Na me come dey say make una talk.
The woman wanted, this is first time. We don't have such experience. So the woman was trying to explain.
Now be a matter of experience. As he say, what can I do for you? Now straight you go tell am straight now because now what you carry una call you now. Abeg una don hear ladies and gentlemen o. The man wetin be the church name?
Mountain of Yahweh. Therefore,
Madam, the church when you dey go wetin be the church name? Madam, you no know the church name. You dey look me.
Mountain of Yahweh.
Mountain of Yahweh wetin?
Ministry.
Take. If you no know, you carry flyer call. Look am, call am by yourself.
Okay. The name of the church is Mountain of Yahweh Deliverance Ministry.
Wetin be the pastor name?
The pastor name is Pastor Bernard Okoro.
Una dey here Lagos worry una dey here because if people dey come meet me for Igbese, I dey like make una dey smart and very sharp. More no dey waste time, no dulling because people are wicked. So you go dey straight to the point. I go open the phone lines now. The pastor he say he not dey in the position to talk. He say he not get anything to do with these people when talk just now. Mona call us for 0700 951 951 951. Again 0700 951 951 now when the pastor not ready to talk, so what una feel say go happen now? What people na advice for this problem? Where the church dey, madam? Now you dey go the church, you say you have an negotiation, madam, where the church dey?
The church dey for Ijegu Road.
The church dey for number 31 Tunde Akinsola Street off Farming Street, Boko bus stop. Ijegu.
Now madam supposed to dey follow me dey talk for you because now madam dey go the church because
No, since when I go village, na my oga na him come dey.
I know, but you dey go the church before now. How many years you don dey go the church before you go village? How many years?
Just let me just say for a yard.
All these women when they waka up that they find miracle. They know the church name, they know the location. And they ask you now, you know kukuma even know the full name. If not be the flyer when we call 041, yes, so you know even know the full name. After the waka they find miracle. Make una they know where una the enter. The church name, they know the church name, know the pastor name, know everything. Hello, there the phone line.
Hello, Ratata.
Yes, morning to you, sir.
Good morning. This is Mr. Christian from Ikorodu.
Let's go, sir.
The man is a real loop.
Okay.
For telling them that he has no time to talk to them now.
Yeah.
He has shown himself.
Okay.
First of all, I blame that woman
Mm-hmm.
and the husband. Because you, when they suffer, you may find deliverance, you may find a miracle. To pronounce the name of the church where you attend, it's taking you time. Not you carry yourself go there. And everything you they believe where pastor they tell you, God will give you wisdom.
All right,
God
thank you,
give
sir.
sense.
Okay, no wala.
So,
Thank
the
you
only
so
thing
much.
you go do for them, I
Yeah,
beg,
yeah,
make them go arrest that man.
yeah.
Then you will have enough time to attend to them.
All right, thank you so much, sir. I already talk and say for Igbe, so we get our in-house lawyer. We have just one in-house lawyer. I be two of them. Yeah, Barrister Mayo and Barrister George. I beg, if you did there, if you be a barrister, a lawyer, and you go say, "Rah, I want to join you now because I like humanity today, help humanity." And that now so Barrister Mayo take join the Igbe lawyer team. And the guy don't help us already, but the case is too plenty. Only you know go be the runner. So we go need more hands for this matter for Igbese, in-house lawyers. I beg, if you be barrister for them, say, Ra, I will take it upon myself to assist people for this matter. Vicky, you say, Ratata, good morning. Please, that pastor should be picked up. Hope they have evidence of transfer made. The guy, you get evidence.
Yes, so it did.
You get evidence, Abi.
Yes.
We say women should stop all this movement of seeking God where He is not. Let us be faithful wherever we are.
The woman, I want me to go pick that pastor.
Okay.
And not for our women, especially Igbo people. They know they trust themselves. Because Igbo people, they not so the businesswomen, they know how to do well. So I know that they're careful. So women, they work out from one place to another, they find miracle.
So they go say, do Marcella keke, they go.
This is Penny, and the try here. You say keke, so to suppose they take help your husband, they bring money for us, you go sell them.
No
Why
why?
you want travel? Which kind of travel you want travel? I don't know why God, this is Penny.
Calm down, I understand that.
Chief Honor is my name.
Let's go,
that
Chief.
man and the wife,
Yeah.
they are Mugu.
No, not call them Mugu. Just call them say they won't try.
In the letter, how can somebody tell you, say, the pastor, anybody who is taking man, calling himself man of God in Nigeria, share the person, doctor. Listen, you cannot go to university abroad or anywhere without letters. You never see any letter. They trust pastors, they carry all your money, they give them. Don't be moved with that. Don't trust anybody in Nigeria calling himself man of God. No.
All right,
Good
Chief.
morning.
Thank you, Chifu.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Morning to you, sir. Yeah.
So that man is a serious criminal.
Okay.
They should pick him up. He's a liar.
Okay.
The way he just speak that I don't have anything to do with it. He's a big criminal.
Okay.
They should pick him up and lock him up. If they say I was there, so I will also go there and arrest him because I'm a soldier.
Okay, you're a soldier, right?
Something like that, yes.
Okay.
I want to ask that woman whether they don't go to church, go make noise before.
They ask you, madam.
Yes, I go that place last week Thursday. Go tell and say make he.
No be say go tell him. You not to get regard for that pastor, not to dey gentle for him. You know what if you do for something million wey make your pikin drop out of school? Una not supposed to take a gentle. Now when service dey on, una supposed to raise this issue because to me, na dubious case e be. So
Okay.
no be something wey una go take the pamper the man, they tell him good morning sir. The man no deserve that sir wey una dey give am. So what that and You know what in my happiness as I say when I transfer some of the money.
Yes.
Yeah, proof D.
That means you have evidence of transfer.
Yes.
Go
Correct.
to your bank, collect account statement of those
We don't
money.
collect am.
We don't
Dey
collect
with
am.
us.
If the pastor they deny, he go tell police the business when una do with am. Where make una give am such money?
Okay,
so
thank you.
No be something where go dey papa.
Okay, hold on, madam. Get what you want to. You say the guy first carry and go police station.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
you don
Okay.
carry us go
Can you
police
imagine?
station.
When you
So
go
as
police,
you reach
wetin you
for
tell police? When
you
you
reach
tell police, say una
as
do.
you reach police station, you come tell police say I come in church, you come dey disturb in service. So
But
as I come reach that
of-
place, as I
what
come.
of the evidence wey una get?
The evidence dey here. Na where we bring the evidence out. Na the DPO come turn am, come tell am say how you go collect person money, come chop am again. Now you come tell the DPO say my oga use the money sow seed for the church.
Oga caller wait. Oga caller wait. You dey yes so. He say, madam, you say the pastor say wetin.
As you reach police station, na as you reach that place, you come tell them say I come dey disturb in service. So as I come, they come call me for phone say they need me for police station. I reach that place, I say no be say I go there go disturb in service. So say see the thing wey pastor tell me, or now he don chop my husband money now. My pikin no go school again, nothing. Now the woman come say okay, say the DPO need to hear this. As they come carry me come go meet DPO. As I go that place explain to DPO. Now DPO tell am say oga why you dey behave like you know this woman? He say yeah. He say na my church member. Who are you? He say na he be my pastor. He say why you go do your church member this kind thing? No, na dey make people no dey go church. Okay, if you know say you know him pikin no go travel, carry the man money give am. Now he come talk say no, say the only money wey my husband give am say na 600,000 naira. Say use the remaining money sow seed for the church.
Na say talk abi.
Na say
Oga
talk.
you sow seed.
So see the poor man dey so see 2.something million.
They not sow seed though. They not sow seed.
See, so what he said that okay, let us go and settle for church. So when we get to church, when we get there, he said okay, what happens is that he will print his own statement of account from his own bank. So after that, we book appointment day. So the day of his appointment day, he did not come.
Okay, so, what be the church name again, abeg?
The church name is Mountain of Yahweh, Deliverance Ministry.
Okay.
Mountain of Yahweh Deliverance Ministry.
Where you say e dey?
E dey for Ijegu Ikotu bus stop, Lagos State. Number 31 Tunde Akinshola Street.
Okay, all the way from Toronto, Canada, is another Nigerian fake pastor. Not be smart, you know. Somebody say they're too much in Ijegu there. Oh, you know what? They're very, very hot on you because it is intentional, so that people, when other women would learn for outside. Okay, you understand? Yes, so that's why they hot on you, madam. Because make we know the pets or kind things when they happen. If as they hot on you, so other women go learn. You understand from this experience. That's why I'm a little hot on you. You understand my point?
Yes.
Yeah. I hope you understand clearly. That's that. Because you see, people should know where they go to, know the name of the church, know the location. Anything can happen at any point. So they go call, they ask you, you go say you don't know. It's not too proper. Now you understand. But others don't hear me. They fire you. So they go call learn. Say if they go anywhere, they go know the church, they know the pastor, they know everywhere. I hope you understand. Somebody say, Ratata, I'm a military personnel. He says, send me the pastor's the church address. Ma, call this guy. When he say be military personnel, let us hear from him. We get only 10 minutes to go on the show. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, I say, of course, for here, we dey very blunt and direct. It is on purpose. So that we go shake, wisdom enter our self's head. Because at times now foolishness they cause our own problem. But of course, don't worry, by the grace of God, the wisdom go follow us. Papa and mama and maker say, the woman said now only go come before. I said no, make your husband come. He said no transport. I said make they come. I go give the transport. They are so broke that in fact no transport because everything. I don't give this pastor, this man of God. Men, may we they learn from all these things when they happen, when they bring on Wazobia FM. We there you now go learn. That's why when we started the show, I was hot on the woman. That's how it should be. Let's be hot on ourselves and it go drive sense into our head. See now at the end of the day, we the prefer solution. I'm not there hot on say more just kill her. No, say madam, you not try, but now let's look for a way out. Thank you for coming, madam.
Thank you, sir.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmat.